Hey guys, this is Corey from Badass Productions. This is video 3 in our mini-series painting Project Phoenix, our 1981 turbocharged LS TransAM. In today's video, the Badass crew is going to be back at Wayne's Hotrods Customs to lay down the second color and to top everything off for 3 coats of clear. If you're not following this series, you can check it out in the description down below. We'd like to thank everyone for watching our channel and for tuning into our content. If you haven't, please share with your friends and make sure to leave some comments down below. Enjoy the show and have a badass time doing it.
Now that all the blue is painted and it's clear coated, it's been a day or 2 days, not sure now, every day blends into the same. It's time now, we'll sand the car down, right? We're going to lay the bird out to where it needs to be, and then we're going to start taping off for the gray to where it ends up underneath the bird, so it looks really good.
All right, folks, a little update. So no, that's not the paint.
Appreciate paint job.
So we're getting ready to spray the second color, which is a charcoal color. And just to bring you up to date there, we sanded the entire car with 800, right?
Yep.
Okay, so the entire car got sanded with 800. That was on the clear coat. And then Wayne fussed around with the decal for a long time, figuring out where it was going to be, which he then traced out. And you can see the blue line here. That's I guess the reverse of that. So everything on this side of the blue line needs to be taped up, and everything on this side needs to be painted.
Yeah, so now we got it all taped up. It's time to do 3 coats of the gray, and then once that's done and dried enough, we'll de-tape all the car, get all the tape off it and everything. I'll re-tack cloth the car. It's just a little sticky type rag that picks up any lint and dust that might be around it, because we had it all taped up. I want to make sure we get everything off of it, and we'll put 3 more coats of clear on.
This is it.
The final clear coat. See what it looks like.
Final multiple layers. Clear coat. There it is. You ready?
I'm ready.
I got the easy job. I just have to hold a camera. All right, boys and girls, here we are. All the clear is done. The master's down here inspecting his work. What do you think, Wayne?
I think it looks good. Andrew, you're the fussy guy.
What do you think over there?
It's pretty good.
Shiny.
Yeah. Little wet sand and polish. She'll look real good.
She's beautiful. Yep. Little rub, little shine, and some decals. Blam! She'll look wicked. Thanks for watching, folks. Tune in next time.
Well, what we really do here is, I call it Wayne's Hotrods and Customs, but we do a lot of muscle cars. A lot of muscle cars and a lot of restoration. We do some customs, obviously, and hot rods. We have a couple hot rods, actually 4 hot rods here right now in the shop. But it seems that the muscle cars are a little bit more popular right now with everybody, so we've been doing a lot of those. Full restorations, like we do full rotisserie, paint underneath, everything new. I mean, right from that to doing paint jobs for our friends.
And I think I saw a motorbike out there.
Yeah, there is a motorcycle out there also. I myself was a racer for 20 years. Raced a lot of my time up at Shubenacadie. And I'm giving back. I'm helping out this kid that's starting out, and we're doing a full paint job on his race bike for him as a sponsor. This is our 6th year this year. Started with nothing. Worked my ass off to get to where we're at today.
You started with what? I don't know, maybe
this side.
5,000 square feet here?
Yeah, I think probably 5,000 square feet.
And today?
What do you today, that's times 3. I have 3. I end up renting 2 other sections of this building that I'm in, and they were all basically the same size, roughly.
So you have about 15
to
18,000 square feet facility?
Yeah. If you had to measure it up, I'd say you'd be pretty close. We have a sandblasting guy that I got to come in to help us with stuff, and then we became friends, like most people do that are like-minded. And he now rents a little piece of my shop for a sandblasting booth. So anytime I need him, I just roll a car down and put it in his booth. He sandblasts it, and then it goes right into my paint booth to get epoxy primered so it don't rust. And then we go from there. And I mean, we've built frames. We're building frames. We're building a frame right now. We have one on a frame jig that we're building for a customer, right? For a 52 Chev. I think it's 51.
You build custom panels?
We built some custom panels. I just posted one yesterday on my Facebook of one that I made. It was a mirror image of a rear panel for inside of a Mustang. But we also do floors, you know. We do a lot of custom stuff. Like I said, we can build our own frames. You know, we build our own floor pans, firewalls, you know, trunk floor extensions, rear pans. We've made all kinds of stuff like that. I've even had a customer in here with a 1920, I think it was a 22 or something like that, Dodge, and you couldn't buy no panels for it. And he was missing one panel, so I made him one, you know?
It doesn't hurt that you have a pretty talented group of people here.
Oh, all my guys know what they're doing. a lot of my guys came from the collision industry, so whenever we're building frames and restoring cars, and we got to put, you know, even aftermarket frame rails and aftermarket floors, if we're doing a muscle car, it's all the same style as if you had a car that was smashed and you had to put a frame rail in. They're all interchangeable, so it's you know, and with the guys we have here, I mean, I don't think we have a guy that has less than 20 years experience. You know, be nice to get a nice young fella in that we can sort of mold our way and continue on what we are doing. You know, hope everybody gets to enjoy their rides, you know, when summer comes again.
That's true too.
Yeah, and maybe we'll see you at a show. Come by, say hi. Like talking to people about cars.
Folks, thanks for watching this episode of Bad Gas Productions. And go back and check out some of our other content. There's another video we had with Wayne preparing the car the day that we brought it to go into the booth and all of that stuff. There's another video I'm going to drop in a couple weeks, again here at the shop, about Kent Customs and Wayne's customer building a 52.
I think it's a 51, 52 Chev.
Yeah.